Hey, what's going on YouTube, and welcome to this quick update video. This is just going to be the portion of adding the Roblox launcher into Steam. And the way we did it previously was using a bat file, and it worked for me, but there were some people that were saying that they weren't able to get it to show up in the Steam library. And I tested on a couple machines, and I did get some inconsistent results. Some I could add, but then others, like it wouldn't show up in the Steam library, or the non-Steam library I should say, and it would show up like as an ASCII character in the main titles, or it wouldn't show up at all like with one of the people were showing. So there is some inconsistencies with trying to use a bat, and I did find some information from another Reddit thread from back in like 2014, 2015, where someone was trying to do the same thing, having issues with adding a bat file. So the short answer is to address that is there's a slightly different way we can reference that bat file that it'll make it work consistently. I tested it on all the machines. It works 100% every time. So this is going to be just a slight change to what we did previously. So if we go into Steam, and again, we're keeping everything the same, so you should have your cMD.exe directory and those files in there. So nothing has changed there. Then in Steam, on the working one here, if we look at the properties, this is where we had set our target to be the Launcher.bat and to start in the mode switcher. But what we're going to do differently this time is I'll just add a new one so you can see. This may or may not work for you, what I'm showing here. This is what we did in the previous video. But for 100%, it's going to work every time solution. It's best to do this. So I'm going to get out of big picture mode, and we'll go up to settings, library, add non-Steam game, and you're going to look for CMD. It doesn't have it. This is get CMD. So in that case, we're just going to go to browse, and we're going to go to our C Windows and System 32, and look for the cmd.exe. Okay, and then hit open, and so now we have the basically command prompt. So hit add selected programs, and then in our library we should have, if we search on CMD, we have CMD here. So go ahead and right click on that and choose properties, and for the name we can just say say Roblox Launcher v2. You can just call it whatever you want to show. This target is going to stay the same with System 32, but this part, the start in, we're going to change into the C directory where we have the RobloxModeSwitcher, so that's going to change the same. And then for the launch options, I'll put it in the description below here, but it's just going to be /C, and then C : backslash. Well, I guess I could just copy this, save some typing, and then the bat file, which is SteamRobloxLauncher.bat. Okay, and that should do it. And you can just close out to save those changes. Again, if you want to do any of your customization, that stuff is here. But now, if we click on, or we change the name, so Roblox Launcher version 2, now if we click on this, you should see that it will launch. Say yes, and do everything that the bat file did, just this time it'll work 100% of the time. So thanks to you for posting comments. For those of you that were having trouble, some of them we were able to work through, but this was one that I didn't see or was aware of, for that matter. I guess got lucky with adding bats with no issues, but this is a consistent reliable method going forward. So If you have any other issues or see anything else come up, let me know. But otherwise, hopefully this has been informative for you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.